Let me introduce myself. My name is Helen, class B morning. Here I will discuss material about principles of teaching writing skill. First of all, I will discuss what is writing. What is writing? Writing is the activity or process of producing text in written form. Writing is usually done on paper-shaped media using tools such as pens or pencil. Writing can be done with various purposes such as expressing oneself, inform, entertaining, persuade, and educate. Okay, the next material is principles of teaching writing skill. The principles of teaching writing skill are the basic guidelines that guide the teacher approach in helping students develop effective writing skill. There are 6 principles that can see here. Number 1, understanding the purpose of communication. Teacher helps students understand why they are writing, for whom, and what the message is. And 2, structure writing process. Teachers teach the steps in writing, such as planning, writing, and revising regularly. And 3, context and audience. Teachers encourage students to understand the context of their writing and the audience who will read it. And 4, macro and micro skill development. Teacher guides students in developing big idea, macro, and detail micro in their writing. And 5, constructive feedback. Teacher provide feedback that helps students improve their writing in a constructive way. And 6, freedom and creativity. Teacher provide space for students to express their creativity in writing without too many restrictions. And the next, macro and micro skill in writing. Macro and micro skill in writing are 2 different types of writing skill. Macro skill refer to larger writing skill such as planning, drafting, and revising. Micro skill refer to smaller writing skill such as grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Macro skill are the skill needed to produce coherent and effective writing. These skills include the ability to 1. Plan. Plan the writing, including identifying the purpose of the writing, determining the audience, and getting information. And 2. Conveys writing, including developing the structure of the writing, organize ideas, and using transition. And 3. Revising writing, including correcting grammar, spelling, and punctuation error, and improving clarity and effectiveness. And the last, micro skill. Micro skill are the skill needed to create accurate and readable writing. These skills include the ability to 1. Use correct grammar, including the use of verb, noun, adjective, adverb, and continuous. And 2. Write correct spelling, including the writing of difficult words, compound words, and foreign words. And 3. Use correct punctuation, including the use of provide commas, colon, question mark, and parentheses. The principles of teaching writing skill that need to be considered in teaching macro and micro skill are as follows. 1. Start by teaching macro skill. 2. Give students many opportunities to practice. 3. Provide constructive feedback. Here are some examples of activities that can be done to teach macro and micro skill in writing. To teach macro skill, asking students to write different types of writing such as article, essay, or report. Ask students to create a writing plan before they start writing. Give students the opportunities to practice revision with the teacher or classmate. To teach micro skill, give students a list of vocabulary or grammar they need to learn. Ask students to work on grammar or spelling exercise. Give students opportunities to check their on right by using a dictionary or grammar guide. By, by teaching macro and micro skill effectively, teacher can help students to develop the writing skill they need to succeed in school and in the world of work. So, what strategies can we use in the principles of teaching writing skill? Writing skill teaching strategies are a way that can be used to help students develop their writing skill. The right strategies can help students to write better, more clear, and more effectively. Here are some brief writing skill teaching strategies. 1. Modeling. The teacher models good writing to the student. 2. Scaffolding. The teacher provides support to students as they write. 3. Feedback. The teacher provides specific, constructive, and relevant feedback to students. And 4. Project-based learning. Students write in a real context. And 5. Cooperative learning. Students collaborate with other students in writing. And 6. Technology-based learning. Technology is used to support writing learning. So the above strategies can be used in combination to provide more effective learning experience for students. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.